1.1 lakh vaccinations, 82 adverse events on day 5. 14,119 sessions held across the country since January 16. On Wednesday, 1,12,007 people were inoculated against COVID-19, taking the count of beneficiaries to 7,86,000. There have been 4 deaths among those vaccinated, 3 due to cardiac arrest and not linked to the and 1 was still being analyzed, a health minister official said. India sends vaccine to 2 countries. A consignment of 1,50,000 doses arrives in Bhutan, 1 lakh doses reach Mali. India on Wednesday began the delivery of COVID-19 vaccines to 6 neighboring and key partner countries. The delivery began with 2 special flights carrying the first consignments of Covishield to the Maldives and Bhutan. Sources said Bangladesh and Nepal will receive 2 large consignments of the same vaccine on Thursday, followed by supplies to Myanmar and Seychelles. India to export 10 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses to Nepal. Nepal's Health Minister Hridayesh Tripathi has said India will export 10 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses to the country under Vaccine Maitri program, adding that the vaccine will arrive in Kathmandu on Thursday. Reiterating the friendship between two nations, Tripathi said the first lot of vaccines will be on grant assistance. Till now, India has exported vaccines to Maldives and Bhutan. New UK COVID-19 variant found in at least 60 countries, WHO. The World Health Organization has said the new coronavirus variant that emerged in the UK has been found in at least 60 countries. The UK identified the new COVID-19 variant that is said is 70% more transmissible on December 14, 2020. The WHO further said that the South African identified coronavirus variant has been detected in 23 countries and territories.
There are 4 fire tenders that are at the Serum plant in Pune, the Serum Institute of India, the key hub, main institute where you have the production, manufacturing and research which is going on of Covishield. Fire breaks out at Serum plant in Pune. Harman Gomes with us on the broadcast. Harman, please tell us that this is not a serious incident. What are the details?
Well, Ma, at least at this point, what we are picking up is really preliminary details because Serum Institute of India is a very large base. But what we are given to understand it is that one of the units inside on the second floor where the fire has caught up. At this point, there are 4 fire engines as well as ambulances and that have been rushed to the spot. The fire is still not under control. At least at this point in time, going by the visuals, what we're seeing is that there is large smoke that has been coming out. The exact cause for the same is not yet known, Maha, while at the same time it is also yet not known as to where exactly within the entire base of Serum Institute of India, where exactly has this fire
like, share, subscribe, and get notification.